So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about backlog refinement, or we can say grooming of our backlogs. So it's done in a regular basis when we are doing reviews. What are the items available in backlogs, that they are important or not. So what happens in backlog refinements? 3 points we need to discuss here. Suppose some stories are not required and we have created new story, so are there are the chance for creating new user story, removing story that are not related. So deletion is also possible in this backlog refinement. Apart from that, one more things, prioritize the user story which are important. So we have to prioritize what need to be done earlier, and then what we can do in backlog refinement: splitting the user story and fit into one iteration. So if there is a possibility for splitting and fitting the user story into other, so we can do splitting there. For larger story, we can fit into small stories. So this is for backlog refinement. So what is Scrum artifact? What are Scrum artifact? So there are 3 Scrum artifact. Product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. These 3 are the Scrum artifacts. So what happens in the product backlog? Product backlog will never complete, it will evolve. Means evolution will take place in the product backlog. So product manager or PM is responsible for the product backlog. So what are the components of product backlog? So component of backlogs are product backlogs are features, functions, and requirement enhancement and fixes. So what comes under the items of each backlog? Each backlog item has description, order, and estimated value. In the sprint backlog, as we have earlier discussed, plan for delivering next product for increment. Sprint backlog has a plan and it has enough detail to complete that particular plan. And the increment we have sum of all the sprints. So it is we can say those are the sprints are completed or comes under the increment. And current running sprint, we can say sprint backlog. And all the user stories that are evolving, we can say that are comes under product backlog. Thanks for watching.